Let's cook.
Welcome back to Cooking with the McDade's. Today we're cooking curry chicken, my favorite and Nicole's favorite. And these are the ingredients we're gonna use for our meal tonight. It's gonna be great. So we're gonna get some onion. We're gonna put it at the bottom. And we're gonna add a half a cup of water, and then we're gonna put a half a cup of oil. You can use any oil you want: canola oil, regular oil,
Peanut
oil,
corn.
Yeah. You're gonna use a half a cup of hot sauce.
Okay, so we're gonna put in the chicken. We're gonna just lay it right on top of there. It doesn't have to be any particular way. You can either fold them or you can just leave them open. We're just gonna leave them open and just lay it across there on the bed of onions. So now we're gonna grab some curry powder and we're gonna sprinkle it all over. Just make sure you cover all of the chicken, every spot. Now we're gonna get some paprika. Some people call it paprika. This is just for coloring, to give it that nice red color. Put it all over, guys. Now we're gonna take some black pepper and we're gonna sprinkle it all over as well.
And then we're gonna add some onion powder. Sprinkle it all over the chicken. Just like that. And then we're gonna add just a little bit of salt. Not too much, probably about like 2 little pinches. And then we're gonna add some oregano leaves to it.
You guys should smell the aroma. It smells so good already and it ain't even cooking yet. So next we're gonna put in a little accent. Accent is a flavor enhancer. It's gonna wake up the flavor in this dish. I'm gonna put it all over the chicken, not too much, but just enough. Awesome. And then we're gonna put in some garlic powder. Gonna sprinkle it all around. Make sure we're covering all the chicken. It may look like we're using a lot of seasoning, guys, but once it cooks down, it really isn't. And then we're gonna put some Diablo red pepper. Not too much. Just a couple. That's it.
And then you're gonna put your jalapeno peppers. You can get them with the sliced carrots in there. You just pour that all around. If you don't want peppers, you don't have to. You can take things out of the ingredients. Still gonna be good.
Now, mind you guys, these peppers are not hot. They're pickled, which means it doesn't have the seeds in them. If they have the seeds in them, then they'll be on fire.
Now we're gonna turn the fire on to medium, about 5. This takes about 45 minutes to an hour to cook. So, and I almost forgot, with the rest of your onions, add it to the top of your dish while it's cooking. We like a lot of onions, so. So while my food is cooking, you're gonna set your temperature for medium heat, and it's gonna sit for 45 minutes to an hour.
You're not kissing me tonight.
Bet I am.
Our drink of today, we're going to be drinking some Old Orchard. It is peach apple mango. Yeah. Whole thing costs $16 at Fiesta Market. So,
I wish we had some wine or Coca-Cola, Pepsi, or something like that, but.
well, goddamn it, I didn't want to go there, okay? So now we're gonna put in some rice. We're gonna use about 3 cups. I hope you like that, Tasha. So now we're gonna put in 3 cups of water. So now we're gonna turn this on medium heat so it can start getting boiling. And this is minute rice, so it's only gonna cook 5 minutes.
So while the rice is cooking, I'm gonna cut the pot off and let the chicken rest for like 5 minutes. So when the rice is done, the chicken is already done. It's almost time to eat, baby. See how it's falling off the bone? For the juice in there, you're gonna pour that on top of your rice. It's gonna give it that good old Cajun flavor.
Doesn't that look beautiful, guys? Good old curry chicken. Just gonna get us a nice healthy spoonful. Put it right over the rice. Look at that. Looks excellent.
Look how it just break apart. Throw that juice on that baby. So for our drink tonight is this orange juice. Not orange juice, this apple peach mango. And our favorite cups of the year, Red Bull Festival Chicago. So we're done with our curry chicken meal, and now we about to eat. So we want you guys to like,
share,
and subscribe to our new channel.
Happy eating. Don't spit on me last time. That's what happened last time. Your ass choked.